So 3.2, graphing our coordinate plane. So coordinate plane, first of all, we want to know what is the coordinate plane. So coordinate plane is formed by two number lines, which we call x-axis and y-axis. So the coordinate plane is formed by two number lines. X-axis and y-axis. Okay, so the coordinate plane is formed by two number lines, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so after they form two lines in the coordinate plane that we want to know, we used to have a number line which the number to the left is the smaller, the number to the right is the bigger. So from left to right, this is x-axis, and then this is y-axis. So now I have two dimensions. I have a dimension to the left. I have another, oh no, I'm so sorry, what I'm talking about. Now I have two dimensions formed by two number lines. One dimension is formed by doing things from left to right, like horizontally, and the other one is by vertically, by having the numbers, ranking the numbers vertical. So this is coordinate plane. So what is x-axis? So x-axis is a number line lies in the direction of lies in the, I'm so sorry, it's my fault, lies in the horizontal direction. So a number line is the, so x-axis is a number line lies in the horizontal direction. So this is x-axis. So a number line is, x-axis is a number line lies in the horizontal direction. So what is y-axis? Y-axis is a number line lies in the vertical direction. So here, this is the number line. This is called y-axis. So y-axis is the number line lies in the vertical direction. Okay, so what is a quadrant? So a quadrant is like one of the space formed by the coordinate plane. So x-axis and y-axis, x-axis and y-axis intersect at right angles. And divide the plane into 4 quadrants. So here I have x-axis and I have y-axis, and then x and axis, y and y-axis intersect at right angles, and divide the plane into 4 quadrants. So this is quadrant 1, This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. This is quadrant 4. So I got 4 quadrants, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So now I have x coordinate. So what is x coordinate? So x coordinate is the first number in an ordered pair. So the x coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair. So this is x coordinate. So it's the first number in the ordered pair. And what is y coordinate? Y coordinate is the second number of the an ordered pair. So the y coordinate is the second number of an ordered pair. So the y coordinate is the second number of an ordered pair. So now you have x and y. So this is y coordinate. So y coordinate is the second number of an ordered pair. So y coordinate is the second number of the ordered pair. And then origin. So what is the origin? So now we have to plot the ordered pair. All the ordered pair are plotted on a coordinate plane. So origin is the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. Is the intersection of the x-axis and the y-axis. So the origin is the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, and then this is the origin. So the origin is the intersection of the x-axis and the y-axis. So here is a coordinate plane. So inside coordinate plane, this is my origin, is here, is 0, 0 is my origin. Then I have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay, I have a line. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. So this is the y-axis. Okay, so this is the x-coordinate. And this is the y-coordinate. So this is the coordinate plane. And then the 2 of the x-coordinate means moves horizontally 2 units from the origin. Okay, So now find the coordinates and quadrants of points on a plan. So now I have M, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. And I have N, -1, -2, -3, and then -1, -2, -3. And then P, -5, 0. Okay. Okay, so example 2, how do we graph each point on the plan? So A is 2.5 and 5. So 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 2, 3, and this is origin 0, 0. So A is 2.5 and 5. And B is 0 and 4.5, 0 and 4.5. So here B is 0 and 4.5. And then C is -1.5, Y is 2.7, -1.5, -1, -2, -1.5, and then 2.7, 1, 2, 3, so 2.7, around here. C, -1.5, 2.7. And now I have D, one and 2 and 3, -1, -2, -3. So 2.3 and -3. So this is D, 2.3 and -3. Okay, so distance between points. So if I have 2 points, xy, y1, and x2, y2, my horizontal distance between these 2 points can be calculated as coordinate x2 minus x1, give it a absolute value, and vertical distance can be calculated as y2 minus y1, give it an absolute value. So now find the distance between the ordered pairs A and B. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the distance between A and B is 5. Or I can use the formula. This is horizontal distance, so it's 4 minus -6. So therefore, 10. Okay, so watch out. Each grid is 2 unit. So each grid is 2 unit. So it's actually 10 because each grid is 2 unit. Okay, and then for C and D, I get the vertical distance. So for C and D, vertical distance 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is 12. And then you will get 8 minus -4. So this is 12.